Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. So guys, let's start our trading session. If you're new in trading and have no idea how to trade with a profit, guys, then this video is gonna be very helpful for you guys. Because how today's trading will be based on technical analysis. So watch this video till the end, and you are gonna have basic knowledge of trading and understand its crucial details. And you will be able to open position on your own. But today we got $200 on the balance and we trade on 1 minute time frame. All the currency pairs have been picked out, and as I said, we are gonna count on technical analysis. That's why we don't use any indicators and other trading tools. Let's get down to trading, find the better currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's start analyzing and find a good position to entry. Here we see the downward movement. Let's check it. I think we should open a long position following the trend direction. I will point out the workspace. Previously there was a downward trend, then the price was rejected from the support zone and started going up. Then we see this correction here, after which we are going to expect the breakout to the upside. That's why we open the long position, as simple as that, guys. Look, the breakout is happening right now, very promising one. I am totally okay with it. We can also point out this price range. Actually, the price has already entered it. Here the price broke it down and it's coming back. We observe the market recovery, and the first position has been closed in profit, guys. There are $279 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount, put down the maximum one, and find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's continue analyzing and consider all the options. Well, what do we got here? The more downward trend dominates here, and probably we should open a short position considering the direction of the downtrend. We see a third downward dynamics here, then there was a pullback here, the price went up, then it was rejected from the support zone, and we are going to expect the recovery of the downtrend. And the price should continue going down. That's why we trade with the trend here. And let's see, guys, there are around 15 seconds left before the closing, and I think I have clarified everything and no more explanation is required. Let's watch the price movement. Well, another position is in a profit, guys. We got $536 on the balance. Let's carry on the trading session, change the currency pair, and find the next position. We are interested in the most profitable payout rate. Look at this meltdown. We are gonna open a short position here following the trend direction. I'll point out the workspace. This is an exceptional situation. The price was rejected from this level and started going down. We see this small green candle here, after which the price should continue its downfall. It's probably depends on the news, so some things has affected the market and the price is going down. And this kind of systematic movement we can open with a trend here without seconds sold, and that's exactly was what we just did. There were around 15 seconds left before the closing and we already see a good breakdown. Candle doesn't have high volatility, but still it's not big deal, there is nothing to be afraid. Our position has been closed in profit and we have got $981 on the balance. We are gonna update the trade amount and carry on the trading session. We can observe a more upward trend here. I opened a short position here. There is a sideways trend. The price is moving within the price range. We see the upward dynamics here, but I'm sure that the resistance zone should play out and the price will eventually go down just a bit, following its previous direction. By the way, there was the downtrend here, which indicates that the correction is more likely than the pullback, and basically the chart is gonna move this way. Very nice. Another position ended up in profit. There are almost $2,000 on the balance. Like I said, correction has eventually happened. We saw the impulse movement to the downside. That's why we're in profits. Let's carry on the trading session, change the currency pair. We should also find the most profitable payout rate. So the pullback takes place here. Let's consider other position. Probably here we'd better open a long position following the trend direction. The local lows have been played out here at this point. Then we see that the resistance zone played out here. We see a tuning correction, but the trend is upward one. And at this point, the correction should be over and the price will continue going up. Like I said, the price started going up. The breakout is gaining momentum, guys. We should wait for the candle closing to make sure that it's fine. Basically, we see that the price is struggling to break through the resistance. I wonder if the candle will go up. Meanwhile, there are 5 seconds before the closing. And our position have been closed in profit, guys. There are $2,700 on the balance. Everything is super simple. Let's change the currency pair, find the next trade amount, trade entry, guys. I guess we should open a few more positions. Recovery seems to be happening right now. We couldn't open either long or short in theory. It's not clear for now, so let's hold off and take a look at this one. We had better open with a trend here, quite off-court trade entry, but still I don't think that we made the mistake. Previously we see the downtrend dynamics, this upward zone played out here, the price started going up, then we see a small correction, look at this red candles, and now we see the breakout is gaining moments. So I'm expecting the price to go upwards because we see these green candles. Actually we've caught a bit of mismeeting here. We could have opened a little bit lower level somewhere here, but anyways breakout has eventually happened, and there are 10 seconds left before the closing. We could simply watch the price movement. There we go, another position have been closed with a profit. There are more than $4,000 on the balance. Let's open $4,000 position, guys, and change the currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. I guess this is more upward trend. Let's open for short position here. Actually, I believe the price has to go lower. We can observe this accumulation zone here, and I think the price should be rejected here and go downwards, following the downward dynamics. Now there is a small pullback, but I think the correction is imminent here. So we open the short and let's wait, guys. We can already see the inception of the red candle, the breakdown, and I think that our position should be in profit in the end, guys. And yes, guys, our position have been closed in profit. Good job, guys. Let's check if something was closed with zero. Nope, we're in profit, guys. Okay, let's consolidate our gains and open final position. Let's carry on the trading session and change the currency pair. Well, let's have a look, guys. Here at Razor open the shorts, but we had better slow down for a while. Let's open 3 long position here, guys. Following the trend direction, quite strong upward dynamics take place here. We've already traded this currency pair today. Basically, I've already told you early, the upward dynamics dominates here. We see a strong breakout. I think we are gonna see a small correction, after which the price should continue going up. By the way, we should point out this zone. So in theory, the price is gonna go even higher in order to determine the future direction. That's why we open with the trend. The breakout of that zone is very likely to happen. And guys, then the price is gonna figure out its direction. Meanwhile, all the position are in profit, guys. We got $10,700 on the balance. Quite impressive outcome. Remind you guys that we used only technical analysis, so we will be able to do the same, guys, to make money without knowledge, any additional trading tools, indicators and strategies. So let's move on the withdrawal. We are gonna withdraw $10,500. Press the continue button. Well, and we are gonna wait for the confirmation. Put down to the pin code and press continue button. Okay, our transaction is being processed. I will attach the screen where it's done, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.